Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I take my curly hair from this to this. If you're new here, my name is Frankie. Don't forget to subscribe and let's just get into this video.
I'd rather be alone tonight. You could say I love you through the phone tonight. Really don't wanna be in your arms tonight.
So this hair is from Moxika. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I'll put the name on the screen. And I got this in a 24-inch deep wave closure wig. So normally I wear like body wave or straight wigs, and I didn't know that this is going to take so much maintenance, but the hair itself is really nice. This is what the hair looks like dry. It's really nice. I like this like poofy kind of look, but I also like the wet look, so let's get into it. I don't know if I'm going to do a voiceover for this, so I'm going to talk and be silent at the same time. But this is what I'm using, and this is the Elasta QP leave-in conditioner, and it smells amazing. So that's how much of the conditioner I put in. It's not a crazy amount because I don't want it to be like full of products, if you know what I mean. So I just give it a shake until it's all mixed in, and it will look something like that. So once I'm happy with it, I take my John Frieda Frizzy Stream Curls styling foam, and normally I'll use a different foam. So like I'd use the olive oil foam or a different foam, but this is all I have in my house. But they all do the same thing, to be fair. The next thing I take is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Style and Shine Mousse, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to use this to flatten my hair because you can see like this side is higher and we don't want it. So take rid of that mousse and I just flatten the top. And I do normally do this with a slick brush, but my dog keeps taking it and he's chewed it up, so I'm not going to use it. I need to find a new one. I'm just going to brush it down and back. Like 10 minutes to do in the morning, so it doesn't take super long. It's really quick, it's really effortless, and when it dries it looks nice as well. If you do want it to last a bit longer, or if it's like a day where I want it to stay wet all day, I will of course carry my spray bottle and run a bit of eco styler through it as well, and this is just going to help to hold the curl a bit. So I don't take too much, take like maybe like that, just rub it into the hair, into my hands. So guys, that is the end of this video. I hope that you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Like I said, all the details for this hair will be down below, and that's it, I guess.
I'd rather be alone tonight. through the phone tonight.
So guys, I wanted to talk to you about some products that I've been using on my face because my skin got really bad during lockdown.